AI Panda is currently in production. Organize internal filling materials. Connecting electronic modules. Apply hot melt adhesive to the wiring junction to prevent wire breakage. Insert the electronic module into the plush belly. Test AI dialog function. Test the head sensor and mount sensor. Test gyroscope sensor. Test reset button. Sort out the plush panda and deliver it to the children in the best condition. Label the plush panda with authentication tags. Put pandas and accessories into up bags.